everyone, it's Erin with Campus Recruiting. I'm here today with Ed, our Dallas Internship PM, and we are going to be asking and answering questions about what it's like to be a PM in the internship. What's your role as the project manager?
So my role as a project manager is at the end of the day to really oversee the delivery and the quality of the product we're building as an intern team. Part of that includes removing blocks from the team so that they can get their work done and get it done on time, and also ensuring that the interns have what they need to be able to develop, to code, and to deploy our application the way we want it to be so that everything works out. In addition to that, I maintain a close relationship with our client to make sure that their needs are met and address their feedback as we get it to make sure that we cover everything that they want us to build for them. But most importantly, I would say making sure the interns are having fun. That would probably be the top.
What have you learned in this role?
So I've been on plenty of projects where I've been able to previously, I've been able to add features to an existing system or build upon something that was partially already built. And this is the first time I've ever been on a project where we started from 0 and went to 1, which meant building something completely from scratch. And so naturally I had a lot of doubts around my ability to lead the effort and ensure that we could actually see the project through end to end. What I've learned is that I can do it, and it's possible, and I can have a lot of fun doing it with a team. And I think I heard previous intern PMs say that this was the most fun project they've ever been on, and I can really say that that's a true statement. This is definitely the most fun project that I've ever been on. So,
what's been your favorite or proudest moment?
So my favorite or proudest moment so far this summer really is around watching the interns prepare and rehearse and feel confident in their demo that they're about to present to the Girl Scouts. In addition to that, watching the demo actually happen and seeing the interns take what they practiced, show and showcase their product to the client team, and be really proud of what they've done. It's hard not to just feel proud of them and of our entire team and our ability to deliver on that front. In addition to that, I would say that it's really, really fun to watch the interns take complex problems and produce solutions to them and see their reactions when they make a major milestone in solving a complex problem, and just seeing the celebration and how they feel when something works as it was supposed to.
What has been the most challenging part of your role?
I would say that determining the right amount of scope for the summer was part of the most challenging part of this role, because as a new project manager on this project, I have to be able to create the right amount of work for a team of individuals that I have never worked with before. So that was very interesting, trying to figure out where the balance was between getting a quality product that the Girl Scouts would love and making sure that our interns feel like it's meaningful, but also make sure that they have enough to do throughout the summer. I think that was, for me, one of the most challenging aspects of the project so far.
What advice do you have for someone stepping into the PM role?
So for any future PM, I would say the biggest piece of advice I could give is to really seek to understand what defines success as a project manager for whatever project or client you're going to do work for. And as long as you're on the same page as those who are there to support you, such as your OIC, and on the same page as the client, and your understanding of what success looks like for all sides, you'll be able to really base all your decisions off of that knowledge and be able to be confident in what you're doing. You'll be able to be flexible where you need to be, and be able to adapt as needed because you fully understand what the expectations are.
What advice do you have for future interns?
So for future interns, I would say, number one, come hungry, come ready to learn, and bring your best self, because we are definitely going to work hard. We're going to challenge each other, but we're also going to support each other and help each other throughout the process. And at the end of it, we will have worked together to build something that's meaningful, that we all were able to make meaningful contributions to, and just come ready to have a great experience over the summer and with your internship team.